like I turned off on the homestead. And I was like, it was empty, but I didn't see the car. I wasn't paying attention to the car in front of me. Oh god. It's like I switched tires. How do you see that?
I don't. I can't see it all, dude. Yeah. Oh, the headlights. Yeah. I'm just checking. I'm just like testing this at night because I've never used it at night. But I also don't know how safe driving at night with this because I can like barely see. But let me see if they'll work. Hold on. Sometimes they don't work.
I like how they're separate from there. Oh, there we go. What the?
JDM points. JDM points. Extra swag. Extra swag. Just got the new headlights in. Well, I didn't just get them in, but I finally got them working. So the controller, the initial controller is like busted, so they had to send me a new Bluetooth head unit. So, but that fixed it all. So now they work. Got Griffin here in the Mazda gang, you know, posted up. Yo. There's two bulbs. There's one for the normal driving and then there's one for the RGBs. So like I get like if I like like I get adjust the brightness like here. These are just like the normal, like this is like yellow, or like this is yellow. This JDM, and then oh yeah, dude, look.
Can you make it flash red and blue?
Oh god. For alternate. For you try driving with a different setting on?
No, I don't drive like I just drive with the normal headlights because they don't flash at the same time and like, but I could have like
oh, show me one of the cool. Oh, that's how you do it.
They put the blues on and chasing somebody, they're gonna give them a heart attack.
Yeah, I know. They're like, wait.
How's this thing keeping up?
It's like this. Wait a minute. They're like, huh, what's going on here? Yeah. Huh? Wait, is this sagging? Dude.
Bumper's sagging.
Yeah, it's because it's cold, bro. When it's hot, I don't fucking know why. I mean, it's because of the lighting too. I feel like the lighting. Yeah, I don't know. My bumper's sagging, right? Maybe I fucked it up while driving. Probably. Yeah, it's probably a combination of all the things. Yeah, definitely. But yeah, JDM. Shit. God, this road's so shitty when you get on. This highway sucks. Like really bad. And I'm scraping. That entrance, it's so bad. It's actually the worst. I only turned the camera back on because my friend Patrick's in this GTI and he just flew by my ass. He's right here in the, I don't know if you guys can see it, but he's in the GTI up here. Dude, he flew past me. We have an open highway. I mean, open highway, you know, I could either go the speed limit or I can, you know.
Now, what do you do next?
Floor it?
Yes. No, no, don't floor it.
Floor it?
No, 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 don't floor it.
Okay, floor it.
Later, dude. Oh, I had to do the same to him. That fool flew by me before. He flew past me. And I was going like, oh shit. I was going like 82. I was going like 80 miles an hour. He flew past me. So he had to at least been doing like a $110 or like a $120. Yeah, dude, that GTI, he's got a nice GTI. He's like, I don't know what year. I think it's like a 2019 or 2020, but the thing's nice. I really like it. An open flat highway? Just kidding, I gotta exit here, but I don't even know how the lighting is too. I don't even know if this video is gonna capture like shit, but I guess we'll find out. That, I mean, honestly, this video could be like this complete ass, and I just wasted like half my SD card to capture literally nothing. But yeah, I guess we'll see. This thing it doesn't overheat, but you know, you should let the turbos cool down, so I shouldn't do any more pulls. Yeah. All right, actually no more pulls. All right, maybe like one more. Oh, 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 holy shit. Oh my god, whenever I hit boost cut, like massive amount of flames just shoot out the back. Yeah, another day. What? Yeah, another day, just, you know, just shooting some flames. It's the rotary life. Yeah, I actually gotta let this thing cool down though, because it's like, yeah, I don't yeah, always let your car, well, always let your turbo car cool down if you're boosted. Always let your turbos cool down, the oil, cool it down. Yeah, don't do pulls right before you turn off your car. That's stupid. That's like the dumbest thing you can do. But yeah, I'm probably gonna cut it here, honestly. Almost home. But yeah, thanks again, guys, for watching and subscribing and like supporting my channel and shit. I really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you.
Rider, buster, you need it, I'll bleed it. Geeking off a perkin', bitch, I'm feeling like a demon. Bitch, I came